Yeah, nothing much happening out there right now, at least in our part of the state. Out in northwest Texas, a few thunderstorms, a few strong ones. It's going to be a while, though, I think, before we see those work down here into central Texas. It looks like, it could rain out there, even some darker clouds here and there, but there is nothing at all on the radar locally to show you. Mostly cloudy. 80 degrees right now in downtown Austin. Our evening planning forecast, kind of quiet, warm though. At 8 o'clock tonight, 76 degrees, and we're still in the low 70s at 10 p.m. as those clouds begin to thin out just a little bit. In the Hill Country, 82 in Llano, and over here in Burnett, 79 down in Blanco at the present time. Metro counties, Hays County, 80, 81. About the same here through Travis County, 82 degrees up in Georgetown. Off to the east, 77 down in Luling, but everybody else a little closer to or just above, in some places, 80 degrees. In Austin, it is mostly cloudy, 80 at Camp Mabry and 81 degrees at the airport with that mostly cloudy sky, and our winds are southerly, pretty light, 5 miles per hour in town, a little breezier out at the airport at 12. Sunset getting closer and closer at 8 o'clock now this time of year, 7:56 p.m. tonight. In the pollen count today, mold just will not go away. It is high again at 1,198. We did see some improvement, though, in the tree pollen. Maybe we're past the peak of the spring tree pollination season. They're low today. Oak, pecan, grass pollen also showing up, and then there was a very small mixture of some sycamore and some hackberry and some willow tree pollens today, but again at very low concentrations. Dallas at 72, 80 degrees from the South Plains of Texas all the way down to the coast and the valley, 82 in Brownsville. Some thunderstorms are firing now in the heat of the day out here in New Mexico and West Texas, especially northwestern part of the state. Hail the size of grapefruits falling out of this thunderstorm not too far from Woodward, Oklahoma. But it looks like because of the slow-moving nature of a big storm that is developing now, look at this huge trough out here over the Pacific Ocean. Because this storm will be really slow to evolve and move inland over the western United States over the next week, we're probably going to see this repetitive pattern almost on a daily basis of thunderstorms and rain showers breaking out way off to our west and way off to our northwest. A threat of some severe storms up here in the Texas Panhandle and South Plains and western Oklahoma pretty much every day the rest of the week, even through the coming weekend. But the computer models do say that late in the weekend and early next week, about a week from today, a big chunk of that west coast energy will break off and head right down toward Texas and maybe put us in a prime position to get some strong thunderstorms or some rain. But again, that is about a week away. Tonight, the overnight lows, upper 50s and low 60s, very consistent with what we've seen lately. And the high temperatures tomorrow, also very consistent with what we've seen here recently, low and mid 80s, a little bit warmer than average again. 62 overnight, some late night low clouds, and then tomorrow, the mix of clouds and sunshine and an afternoon high of 84 degrees. 7-day forecast. Beginning on Thursday, we'll have to include at least a slight chance for some showers or thunder showers from West Texas working into our hill country, but the probability stay pretty low, and then late in the weekend we'll increase that chance, and early next week we might end up even going way higher than 30% depending on how everything comes together.